Healing through forgiveness and hope. What is the key truth? Many families are not broken because love is absent, but because pain was never healed. Unhealed wounds become anger passed down, silence that hardens, abuse repeated, children growing up wounded, then wounding others, until someone decides the pain stops with me. Understanding the cycle in families, the repeating pattern, hurt lead to anger, lead to harsh words. Harsh words lead to emotional distance. Distance lead to resentment. Resentment lead to bitterness. Bitterness lead to the same behavior passed to the next generation. Deuteronomy 24 verse 16, fathers shall not be put to death for their children, nor children for their fathers. Each one shall die for his own sin. God's desire? Cycles stop, not continue. Why forgiveness is so hard? Why forgiveness is so hard in families? Because the deepest wounds come from parents, spouses, siblings, relatives who were supposed to protect us. Forgiveness is hardest where love once lived. From Psalm 55 verses 12 to 13, it is not an enemy who taunts me, but you, a man like myself. What forgiveness is and is not. Forgiveness is releasing the right to revenge, choosing healing over hatred, obedience to God even when emotions resist. Forgiveness is not denying abuse, tolerating violence, canceling justice or boundaries. From Ephesians 4 verse 32, be kind and compassionate, forgiving each other just as in Christ God forgave you. Hope, that's the doorway to healing. Forgiveness removes the poison. Hope restores the future. Hope says, my family history does not define my destiny. What wounded me will not rule me. God can rebuild what people destroyed. From Jeremiah 29 verse 11, I know the plans I have for you, plans to give you hope and a future. So let's have like a biblical example like Joseph breaking a family cycle. Joseph was destroyed. Joseph was betrayed by brothers, rejected by family, falsely accused, imprisoned unjustly. Yet he chose forgiveness. You meant evil against me, but God meant it for good. Genesis 50 verse 20. Joseph didn't just forgive. He saved a generation from famine. Forgiveness doesn't only heal the past, it protects the future. So healing begins with someone speaks truth without hatred. Someone forgives without forgetting wisdom. Someone chooses Christ over resentment. Healing begins when one family member stands in the gap. The Lord heals the brokenhearted and bind up their wounds. Psalm 147 verse 3. So there is a call to decision that is very important. Ask yourself, what cycle am I repeating? What pain am I carrying that is affecting my family? What stops today with God's help? So, choose this day whom you will serve. From Joshua 24 verse 15. God bless everyone. You may have a good day.